Welcome to week one. So this is what I call, or your faculty will call, a weekly module. In this module, I will tell you the learning outcomes. So these are the things that you are meant to take away from the reading this week. You will also notice that there is also a section that tells you the exact things that you need to do this week, the things that you need to complete this week. Furthermore, you will find the quizzes and the discussions as well as my own PowerPoints. So these are the PowerPoints that I will be lecturing and using, and you'll see. Okay, so this is what we call a weekly module. Every week, you will see a new weekly module pop up. The old ones don't disappear. Those are for you to essentially help you like study for exams, etc. So those won't go away, but every week a new weekly module will open up. This is week one. Next week you will see module or week two. Bye guys.